Many questions have long perplexed me. I neither know why I was born in this form, nor do I understand where my long life should take me. It's as if there's something I've forgotten since the very beginning.
So, why don't you try to find the answer for yourself?
Monsieur Neuvillette, the next trial is about to begin.
Thank you for the reminder.
It's not like you to zone out, Monsieur Neuvillette.
I recalled some things from my past. Events from a very long time ago. To me, humanity is like a pool of water in which I see my reflection. Only through observing them can I slowly come to understand myself. The court is now in session.